Hey guys, Brandon from Campaign Wizard here. In today's HubSpot How-To, we're going to cover how to set up a HubSpot and Stripe Zap. So first things first, you're going to want to integrate both Zapier and Stripe into your HubSpot portal. And if you're like me, this integration isn't exactly the beefiest out there. So you can see right here that it's doing is taking customers and contacts, customers from Stripe and converting them to contacts in your HubSpot portal. You can see here if you click sync more data, that is the only object that you're available to sync. So not exactly the beefiest integration, but there's ways around it. So what I was trying to do is take all the customers that come through Stripe, make purchases through our Stripe account, add them as contacts in HubSpot, and then also add them to a customer list so that at any given time I can go back and look and see in HubSpot where my customers are coming through Stripe. First things first, let's go ahead and create a Zap right here. So I started with the template. Come here, browse gallery. And then if you search right here for connect Stripe, you'll see that right there. And we are going to connect it to HubSpot. Oops. There we go. And you could see right here. So I think it creator update content, new customers. So it's this very top one right here. Go ahead and click try it. That will take you through this right here. So all of this is pretty self-explanatory. You connect your Stripe account that you want right here. Make sure that it's the correct Stripe account. Include failed charges. I would set this to false. So at least for me, it's only important to see kind of who the true charges or true customers are. You'll go ahead and test it. It will give you, basically, I think what it does is it takes your last Stripe purchase and confirms it. Then what we're going to do here is create or update contact in HubSpot. So just like how we did with Stripe, you're going to want to choose the correct account. Backing up, you're going to create or update contact. So that way, when someone makes a purchase through your Stripe, it's going to go ahead and pull that customer data into your correct HubSpot portal. There are a ton of different fields that you can choose from. So I kept it pretty basic. I'm pulling in the email. You can see right here, there's a lot to choose from. Another helpful thing is you can pull in name, phone number, set a contact owner. So I think that's a good one right there. If you do have a specific contact owner, it's supposed to be some basic information. And then last but not least, it's probably a good idea to set the lifecycle stage as customer. That way we know these people have made a purchase in Stripe and they are a customer and now pulling into our HubSpot account. So we've done that. We've set up our charge to create in Stripe, to trigger and create a new contact in HubSpot. And last but not least, so what I did too, just to be able to manage those folks, is add them to a list. One thing of note, you will have to create the list in HubSpot before you can add it in Zapier. So, go ahead in here into HubSpot, create a list, not probably, it does need to be contact based. I created it as static. So really all it's doing is pulling over contacts from Stripe as they make purchases. And then once you can kind of take a look right here. See, I don't even have any filters in this for now. It's literally just using the Zap so that when someone gets to this point, they are added, first as a contact, and then secondly, they're added to your Stripe customer list. Once you save that, then you can go ahead and add it to your Zap right here. If there's any other actions you want to do, you can create deals, you can do a whole bunch of other things. This is kind of the bare bones minimum that I would recommend or suggest. I am not a crazy Zapper myself, so I went kind of simple and took that approach. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Otherwise, good luck, and hopefully you can set this up pretty easily. Thanks.